What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm just gonna be it's gonna be a brief video. I'm just recording the installation of the bar and mirrors that I got for my Vitpilen 401. I thought it necessary to try and change them. I can hardly see out of the stock mirrors that are installed on the bike, so I'm gonna try and change them. So these are the stock mirrors that come with the bike. And as I said, I can see out of the left one, but I can barely see out of the right. All I can see is my shoulder. So hopefully installing bar and mirrors will make a difference. These are the bar and mirrors that I got. Just got them off of Amazon. Relatively inexpensive. And hopefully they fit on the bike. So I'm just using a exercise 5 hex bit to try and install. And hope I find the ratchet going the right way. They're relatively simple to take out. There's the bolt. Take the mirror. And I had this problem last time, so I think you need to take these rings off until you get to the right size. So we'll just do that. Like this, with this mirror type, you need to loosen this bit off first, just so you can move that out of the way, so you have access to the bolt. There. I'll just loosen that up. You can see this assembly all comes off. I think I need to try and push. Need to try and push the bigger ring away. Oh, good. I need to figure that out. So guys, I managed to push it out. I just put a blade, a knife in the back there, or screwdriver, the flat end of the screwdriver, and I just pushed it out. So hopefully that will now fit into the handlebars. Just put it in, I guess, and then we'll then try and offer it up to the bars. Okay. Okay, so the next step is to try and tighten this. I'll just have to start it off and then I'll catch you guys once I've tightened it a little bit. This is very difficult to do with one hand, but the idea is to try and tighten the bolt in. Okay. I think that's it. Just need to tighten the bolt for the actual mirror itself. But yeah. I think we got it, guys. Just gonna tighten this one up. Stop the mirror from moving. That's it. Awesome. Because that's the first mirror installed, guys. An awesome set of 4 mirrors. You'll be able to see everything. Just kidding, I'm just going to take the other one off on the other side. Only to leave the stock mirrors in until I'm totally sure that this is the best thing to do. And I'm able to actually fit them, so that's what I'm going to do. Just do the other side So guys, that's the mirrors installed on both sides. Need to take the stock ones off now. And then hopefully go out for a ride. So That's the stock that's left, or the hole that's left by taking off the stock. I think the bike is gonna look lean with this new handlebar setup. Right, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Did it? Don't diss my tools, guys. This is what happens when you're a father with 2 children. You buy what you can afford, and they're still doing the job anyway. They can stalk off. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah. I gotta say, guys, from up here, much cleaner. It feels like a totally different bike. It was a bit disorienting, to be honest. But yeah. My second mod on the bike done. My first being my USB port, which is just here. Can charge up the phone. It'll be much easier to get the phone on and off the block now. I just need to figure out a new way to mount the GoPro. So for the GoPro mount, I just used one of the stock bolts and I just attached the GoPro mount to it. It's still relatively clean. Yeah, awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.